Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download this game on your PC. So first of all, for downloading this game, first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC, and after installing that, you will be able to play this game on your PC and download this. So let's start. So as you can see, I'm going to write the BlueStack here. As you can see, I have installed this. So you also have to install this app on your PC, and after that, you will be able to play the game. So I'm going to click on this. So let's click on this, and it will take few seconds in loading. So wait. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see, it's now open. So I'm going to close this one, and after closing this, we have to write the game name here. For example, I'm going to search for the God of War on PC. As you can see, I have written the game name here. Now what we need to do, we have to press the enter, and after pressing the enter, it will load. So we have to wait again. Gods and glory and all are there. For example, I'm gonna download this one. So let's click on this. So we have to wait for a few seconds. It's up to internet speed. So I'm gonna make the screen bigger. And now here's the option, and I'm gonna scroll this down. Let's scroll. So as you can see, here's the option install on app player. So we have to click on this option. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait again. So finally, as you can see, the game is here. This is the game name, and this is the size of the game, and these are the reviews, and these are the downloads, 1 million plus. So what we need to do, we have to click on the install, and after clicking on the install, it will take few seconds. And after completion of installation process, you just have to hit the play, and the game will be started. So in this way, you can download this game on your PC and play it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download this game and play it on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.